Want to add video effects to make your video more interesting and attractive? This video will show you how to add filters, overlays, and elements to your videos easily with Filmora 9 Video Editor. Before applying video effects, you'll first need to download Filmora 9 Video Editor on your computer. Then launch the program and you can drag in your media to here, or you can click on it and locate it on your Finder window. Filmora 9 Video Editor provides you with multiple filters and overlay options, and you can also download even more of your favorite ones online. You can find the filters and overlays from the left side of the media library. So just click on the effects section and you can see all of our filters and overlays. So I'm going to drag my clip into the timeline here so I can apply my filters and see how they look. 2. Add filters or overlays to your video. Now that we've located all of our filters and overlays, all we need to do is, once we've found one we like, is press the add button on top. This is going to add it on the timeline on top of our footage, and you can see it is a different type of color than if it doesn't have a filter or overlay. And if you want, you can drag this out to be the entire length of your clip or as short as you want. 3. Customize your filters and overlays. You can further customize your filter and overlay effects. You can again change the duration as I just showed by dragging the beginning or end, and you can also right click on your effect and click on properties to adjust the alpha of your effect. The lower this value is, the less apparent your effect will appear. 4. Favorite filters and overlays. You can add the filter or overlay to your favorites library by right clicking on it and selecting Add to Favorite. Of course, you can also select the shortcut Alt F. This is going to add a heart next to it, and anytime you want, you can add more to your favorites and have easy access to them. 5. Delete filters and overlays. For deleting a filter or an overlay effect, all you need to do is right-click it in the timeline and select Delete. This will completely remove it from your footage. 6. How to apply, remove, or favorite transitions. There are almost 200 types of transitions that come with Filmora, and you can take a look at them by going to the Transition tab. In order to see how one looks, all we need to do is drag and drop it in between two clips of footage, and then press the play button. As you can see, we've immediately previewed how this transition looks. If you want to adjust your transition, you can right-click to show the properties, adjust the duration and where it affects it, or you can right-click and press Delete to get rid of it altogether. And lastly, of course, you can favorite a transition by right-clicking on it in the menu and selecting Add to Favorite. 7. How to add, remove, or favorite elements. All of the elements are inside of the simply called Elements tab. This will allow us to see all of the overlay elements that we can apply inside of Filmora. All we need to do to add one to our footage is drag and drop it, or we can hit the Add button. This will then apply our elements, and we can go ahead and move it to wherever we want. Now, if you'd like to delete it, there are two different ways we can do it. You can select it from the timeline up here and hit the trash can, or you can right-click on it and select Delete. And lastly, of course, we can favorite our elements by again right-clicking on any of them we like and clicking on Apply to Favorite or Alt F. And once you've finished your editing and finalized everything, we can now click on the Export button to export our video. From the export menu, we can easily select our file name and format to get whatever we need. If you're interested in this video editor, you can download it easily from the website. For more editing tips, please search iSkysoft on Google.